Hi class, today we're looking at Chapter 8, Lesson 5, Dilations. So photos can be enlarged or reduced using scale factors. A dilation is a transformation in which a figure and its image are similar. The ratio of a length in the image to the corresponding length in the original figure is the scale factor. Let's write that down. Okay, so we have dilation is a transformation where a figure and its image are similar, and the scale factor is the ratio of a length in an image to the original length. The ratio of a length in an image to the original length. So how do we find a dilation? So here we have a figure, and it says find the image of triangle ABC after a dilation with the center A and a scale of 1/2. So if we are looking, what is half of 12? 6. And half of 16 is 8. So if you look at the figure here, it's showing it half of this and half of this with the center of 8. So therefore, triangle ABC is the image of ABC, and notice they have the parentheses as the second one, after a dilation with a scale factor of 1/2. Okay, so this one says find the image of DEF with vertices. It gives our vertices here, so you should probably diagram it, graph it. Hope I left enough room here. So -2, 2, +1, -1, and -2, -1. So this was F, E, D. After a dilation with the center D and scale factor 2. So D is the center and a scale factor 2. So that means it's going to be 2 times as big. So right now this from D to F is 3. So then we're going to go 3 more. 1, 2, 3. This one is 1, 2, 3. So we're 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. So then we have D with our apostrophe, E with our apostrophe, and F with our apostrophe. And we say triangle D, E, F is the image of triangle DEF after a dilation, spelled that wrong, with a scale factor of 2. Okay, So, graphing dilation images. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the image of the quadrilateral KLMNO after a dilation with a scale factor of 3 halves. Then graph the image. So what we have to do is find each spot. So K is -4, -2. L, -2, 1. M, 1, 1. And N, 1, -1. So then if we are going to multiply the coordinates of each vertex by 3 halves. So therefore we multiply, if you're going to do this, you go -4 times 3 halves, right? So that would be -12 over 2. That can divide out and equal -6. So that's how we got this number. -1 times 3 halves equals -3 halves. That number. So each of these needs to be multiplied by 3 halves. And so then once you have the new coordinates, you go ahead and graph it. So step 1, multiply the coordinates by each vertex. Step 2, graph the vertices of the image. Let's try this one. Draw a graph. So let's see here. A is 0, 0. B is 0, 3. C is 3, 3. And D is 3, 0. Looks like we're drawing a square. Find the coordinates of the vertices of the image of A, B, C, D after a dilation, a scale factor of 4/3. Then graph the image. So you take each one of these, right? So we have 0, 0. 0 times 4/3 is still going to be 0. And so that one's still going to be 0, 0. B, zero times that is still 0, but then you have 3 times 4/3. Those cross out, gonna just be 4. Or you could multiply it. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 0, 4. 3, 3. So, right, we just did the same thing, so we know that those equal 4, 4. Did the wrong place there for a second. And D is going to equal 4, 0. So here is the dilation image. And then graph it. So these were the points up top here. And this is it graphed. A dilation with a scale factor greater than 1 is called an enlargement. So an enlargement is a scale factor greater than 1, bigger than 1. The image is bigger than the original. So a dilation with a scale factor less than 1 is called a reduction. So write that down, a reduction, a scale factor less than 1. So how does this apply? City planning. So TRSV shows the outline of a park. A city planner dilates the figure to show the area of the park that can be used for the concert. What is the scale factor of the dilation? So the image is smaller than the original figure, so the dilation is a reduction. The scale factor must be less than 1. So if we look from T to R, how many units is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 on the bottom, and then this one, T to R, is 2. So we have 2/8, which equals, if we reduce that, 1/4. So therefore, 1/4 is the scale. The scale is reduced by 1/4. So let's look at this one. So the blue figure at the left shows the outline of a yard. The black figure is a doghouse. The blue figure is a dilation image of the black figure. So the black figure is the original image. Find the scale factor. Is the dilation an enlargement or a reduction? So if the black one is the original figure, we can see the blue one is larger, so therefore it is an enlargement. So then when we come together to try to find the scale, we can say that the original was 3, and the new is this 3 plus the 6, so 9. And if you divide that, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So the scale is 3, and it's an enlargement. Your homework for tonight is page 279, number 3 through 15 odd. Happy homeworking!